My name is Mr Ackerman and I live in Penarth with my husband. We've lived here for 18 years. Our kitchen was built in 1986 by the previous owners, and it wasn't really working very well for us, so we decided to look at other kitchens. Our friend Pam had a Sigma 3 kitchen, so we decided, after looking at others, to go to Sigma 3. We were met by Tabitha, who was extremely friendly, no pressure put on us at all. Her design ideas were really good. We did make alterations with her. She always had plenty of time for us. We did have several must-have features. We wanted to have an island, which we hadn't had before, so we needed to move the whole kitchen around. We wanted to have a seating area with a banquette because we didn't really have enough room for a table and chairs. We have found the seating arrangement really good. It's made the kitchen far more sociable, and when our grandchildren come round, they absolutely love sitting on a long bench together. They love running their cars all along the top as well, a design feature we didn't realise we had. And also, when you're cooking, you can see straight across to whoever's sitting on the banquette, so it's great. Below are storage features, which are really good. The doors just drop down and you can store so much in them. All the fitters were very professional. We had the kitchen removed and we had a new kitchen put in. We had our floor fitted all by Sigma, and they were all very professional. Gareth was with us for a week. He did all the installation. He answered all our questions if we needed any alterations. He always came up with really good practical ideas, and we really turned to him for advice. We find it a very practical kitchen, which really suits our lifestyle. We love to be sociable, we love our family coming, and it just works perfectly. The seating area in front, the bar stools have worked well because people have actually sit and watch whatever I'm doing. Where the sink is and the draining board, it works really well. You've got a long space to prepare your breakfast. You can look out to the garden. On the other side, you've got all the space for your table, so all your mats, all your cutlery is all in one place. Tabitha really thought about these features and it works brilliantly. I would definitely recommend Sigma 3. Our friend Pam recommended Sigma to us and we're really grateful. Look on Pinterest, all the magazines you can think of, but just keep looking, keep an open mind. You'll get the kitchen of your dreams.